What's up? What's up? What's up? This your girl CeoAngel coming to you with another video. Did you hear me? Another video. So y'all gotta watch me. Give y'all some jewels about credit repair. Okay? So let's get to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And this video is going to be about whether or not you should dispute closed accounts. So I just want to explain to you guys what is a closed account or how the account become closed. Let's just say that you have a Walmart store card or credit card or whatever, and you become delinquent on your payments. Then after 30 days that you don't pay your payments, they become late payments, so it hits your credit report. So if you continue not to pay those payments, like after 90 to 120 days, then the company charges off your debt. So it's a write-off, a profit and loss write-off for their company. So they sell your debt, to another agency, which sometimes it can be a collection agency, but most of the time they just close your account or whatever. So it becomes negative, right? So my thing is, when you have a closed negative account, then you can find inaccurate information on the negative account to dispute that closed account. Okay, so if it's positive, I wouldn't recommend that you dispute that account, because let's say, for example, like Walmart, versus if it's negative, versus if it's positive and you've been paying every month or whatever, and it's a positive account, and you opened it, let's say 2014, that's credit. Like, that builds up your credit age on your credit report. So the longer that an account stay open, the higher your credit score would be. Okay, so if you want to dispute a positive account, there's no reason to dispute a positive account. Like, it's not really negatively affecting your score. It's actually helping your score. So leave the positive closed accounts alone. If it say closed and you don't have any late payments on it, then leave it where it's at. Leave it be. Okay? Versus if you have a negative closed account, you can find you can search for errors like inaccurate information, like the date of the closed account, or if it's closed and it's still reporting like you're not paying. Let's say that the account has it don't supposed to be closed because you're still paying it, so that's the wrong status. Just little minor stuff, which I can put in my description the credit repair checklist of all the things that you could dispute. So yeah, I will let y'all know that it will be in the description, so you guys can check that out on what to dispute when you're looking at the different accounts on your credit, if it's negative or whatever. But yeah, leave positive accounts alone. You can dispute negative closed accounts. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. And if you have any questions, you know what to do. My information is in the description below. And toodles!